What's up, divas? Welcome back to my channel. I know that it's been about 11 days since I brought you a weight loss update, but I do want to let you know I am still on my weight loss journey. I'm still working through this, and I'm back with yet one more thing to do. Now, today, let me just let you know what today is. Today is Thursday, November 5th. The reason why I'm letting you know the date is because I am planning to do 5 days of a keto diet, a strict keto diet, and I will be taking my 5-HTP for 5 days. Okay, so for the next 5 days, I am actually going to be coming on and I'm going to be documenting exactly what I'm doing and what's been happening, how has it been going, so you will get a chance to see the full 5 days of what has been taking place with me, as opposed to waiting for an entire week for me to upload a video. Okay, and the cool thing about doing it this way is that it's more fresh in my head, at least, so I will be able to share all those different experiences, what's happening, what's not happening, so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and get into this video. But before I get into the video, I do want to introduce myself to anybody who is new. My name is Simply Carrie, and I just want to lose weight. Okay, welcome to my channel. If you're new and you haven't subscribed, or even if you're old and you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So now that I've gotten all that out of the way, let's get into the video and let's talk about what I'm planning to document for the next 5 days. Okay, so I plan on doing a keto diet. I've already started. Today was the first day of doing the keto. Today was also the first day that I started back taking the 5-HTP, because at one point I was taking it and then I kind of fell off the wagon. I would forget that I even had it in my purse and I just wouldn't take it. But there were some things that were taking place in the last couple of days that made me decide, okay, it's time for me to reevaluate what's going on. Okay, so first off, I'm not on Phentermine anymore. I haven't been on Phentermine since, I believe, September. I've done several videos, so check those out. It's been a moment since I've been on Phentermine. I did want to get off of Phentermine because I wanted to give myself a break from Phentermine. I do plan on going back on Phentermine because my goal weight is to be 145 pounds. It's going to take me a while to get there. But I think that Phentermine is really the main thing that's going to help me to get to where I need to get to, because I really haven't been moving weight the way I moved it when I was on Phentermine. Okay, so I will be going back on it probably in December. I'm not really sure exactly when I'm going to do that. But in the meantime, what I'm really nervous about, and I have been seeing people talk about this in the comments, about how your appetite comes back, you start eating, then all of a sudden you're gaining weight. Okay, I spent way too much money for me to gain that weight back, so I'm really not trying to do that again. So I've been trying to monitor my weight. I've been doing a whole lot of different things. I updated my journal. Okay, if you haven't seen that video, definitely go check that out. I do have a weight loss journal. I did update it. I know it's looking a little raggedy now because I keep it in my purse. But I have been marking everything in here that I'm doing, just jotting down what I'm eating, my exercise, just everything imaginable. So I will probably do an updated video on my journal as I go through it, because I'm changing it pretty much to suit my needs. Okay, and of course when I do the video you could do it to suit yours, but anyhow, this is not the video about journaling. Basically, what are some things that happen? I already told you that I'm not on the Phentermine right now. I'm really nervous about gaining the weight back. I have been seeing some weight kind of creep up. I did still have some water pills from when I was taking the Phentermine. I took a pill a couple of days ago because my weight, I mean, just every day I'm noticing it going up, going up, going up, like a pound or two a day. So I took a water pill and all of a sudden I was back down to like, let me see, let me tell you now. I was back down to 215.2 pounds as of Wednesday the 4th, which was pounds yesterday, dropped that weight. Okay, and that was from me taking a water pill the night before, which was the 3rd. My weight had gotten up to that night, my weight, the night of the 3rd, my weight had gotten up to 219.8. So by the time I took the water pill, I was at 215.2. Today, my weight is 216.4. So when I measure my weight, it's going to be based on today's weight, which is 216.4 on my home digital scale. And I'll leave that in the description box as I'm doing my videos, just to see if I'm actually moving weight. Okay. So for those of you who are wondering, is keto really a good diet? Am I really going to lose weight? Well, we'll get a chance to see in the next 5 days, can I really lose any weight with the keto? And I will let you know everything that I'm doing, anything that I'm taking, basically. Okay, I'll let you know what's happening. Now, keto is for me, it's very difficult because I have to have something other than meat. But I'm going to get through this with you and show you guys what I'm doing, okay? Just a couple of other reasons why I'm doing this keto diet and taking the 5-HTP is because, and I'm kind of looking at some notes that I have here because I kind of tend to forget stuff. I've been having some cravings, and yesterday was the kicker for me, and that's when I really decided, okay, time to start something new. Yesterday I started out okay. I had some boiled eggs for breakfast. I've been drinking my tea. I haven't been doing the intermittent fasting the way I want to do it. I do try to space out the eating, but it's been kind of difficult for me to do intermittent fasting the way I really want to do it. I've been kind of falling off the wagon with that. So yesterday, I started off fine. It's just come lunchtime, just before lunch, I don't know, this thought popped in my head about Boston cream donuts. I wanted a Boston cream donut, and I went and got a Boston cream donut. And in addition to getting the Boston cream donut while I was there, I was frustrated. I was upset as well, now that I think about it. While I was there, I got one order of hash browns and a latte. Okay, so it didn't stop there. On the way home after work, I was going for Tylenol for my son. And while I was there to pick up the Tylenol, and this is by habit, I do this, it's a habit, wasn't hungry. I can't even say that I had cravings at that point. This is probably habit. I ended up picking up some chips. I picked up some soup that I normally do not eat. I picked up gummy worms. I mean, I just went on this whole rampage in the store buying these things. Well, it wasn't a rampage, I guess. But I had that. Then my husband came home with some candy, and I didn't resist. It wasn't even candy that I've ever seen before. So I ate some of it, and it was kind of good. And I sat there snacking on that for a little bit. Then I went and I just started eating other things by about 11 o'clock, which I notice is a habit as well. I had 2 slices of toast with butter and jelly. And that probably could be due to me not eating dinner the way I should eat dinner. Okay, I'm kind of snacking. Okay, and that's not good. So because of all the stuff that I was doing yesterday, I decided, okay, I got to get a grip on this. I did buy 5-HTP. I'm supposed to be taking the 5-HTP for the cravings. Why am I not doing that? So I decided, okay, one of the things that I'm going to do for the cravings is I'm going to start doing the 5-HTP. And how I'm going to do it is I'm going to take one at 8 o'clock in the morning, one at 12 o'clock in the morning. And at first I was going to do it at 4 o'clock as well. But since I get this late night desire to go and eat something, I'm going to take it at about 7 o'clock. Just to see how it does, and I'll reassess tomorrow. Anyhow, this is what it looks like. I don't know if I showed that already. It's the 5-HTP with vitamin B6. All right, and it's 50 milligrams. So if I'm taking 3 a day, then I get 150 milligrams, which I'm still within the limits of where I should be with 5-HTP. Now, let me just share with you just a little bit of information about 5-HTP if you're not familiar with it. 5-HTP is supposed to be some type of a chemical. Let me see. Can I see this? Now, I'm getting this information from WebMD, okay? 5-HTP is supposed to, it stands for hydroxytryptophan, okay? I can't even say this, okay? I just said it the first time, guys. Look it up, 5-HTP, okay? It's a chemical byproduct of the protein building block, L-tryptophan. It is also produced chemically from the seeds of an African plant known as Griffonia syphilicifolia. I messed that one up too. Okay, sorry about that. But anyhow, this is supposed to treat certain things. Now, how does it work? I'm going to read this little blurb and that's it. I'm not reading anything else. You could check it out on WebMD. It says that 5-HTP works in the brain and central nervous system by increasing the production of the chemical serotonin. Serotonin can affect sleep, appetite, temperature, sexual behavior, and pain sensation. Since 5-HTP increases the synthesis of serotonin, it is used for several diseases where serotonin is believed to play an important role, including depression, insomnia. Oh, good. So I can take this around 7 o'clock. Obesity, and many other conditions. Okay. Now, I'm not going to read everything else. You can go to WebMD yourself and check all that other stuff out. But, yeah, I'm taking this. Now, let me just tell you, so far for breakfast and lunch, I've been good. Lunchtime, I did not touch anything bad. In fact, for lunch, and I keep saying I'm going to do this, and I forget about it and start thinking about dumb stuff. This time, I was really good. I had no cravings, and I was able to go and I brought this with me. It's a protein shake, Fit Factor. Okay, let me show you a little closer. I hope that's clear. Okay, so it helps support appetite control and weight management. It contains a fruit and vegetable blend. It's supposed to be a vegan type protein. It features Garcinia cambogia and cinnamon bark. This one I have in chocolate. It contains 20 grams of protein per serving. The number of calories is 140 calories in 2 scoops. So I went out. It took me a moment to find this, so I'm going to have this packed away with me. I'm going to have to get me some little containers of milk. I went out and got this one today. I got 2%. I'm trying not to get, I don't want to do whole milk, definitely not. 2% is fine, something that's not super fatty because I don't want to have cholesterol. I want to watch my cholesterol level. So 2% reduced fat milk. And since this is only a pint. Are you serious? Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. So it's 2 servings in here. So I only took half of the milk, and I put 2 scoops in here for lunch, and that's what I had. And I'm starting to get a little bit hungry, but I'm okay. I have no cravings right now. I think I can hop in the car, go home, and not even touch a store and buy any junk. I'm going to be good. Okay, but I will let you guys know tomorrow how I actually did as I went through my night. Now, what's the other thing that I did want to mention? Okay, let's talk about, what was the other thing that I did want to mention? Okay, so I did talk about how my appetite increased. So this is definitely going to help with all of that, okay? And like I said, I think I did cover pretty much everything that I'm planning to do. So just as a recap, guys, this is going to be a 5-part series for me. I'm going to come on 5 days straight, and I will be letting you know how my night went and how a portion of my day went and what I'm adjusting and whether I'm losing the weight, you know, just you get a chance to see what my weight is each day, because I'm going to literally do a strict keto diet. Okay, so as far as the keto diet is concerned, what am I doing? Yeah, it's just keto. I mean, just for the most part, no meat. Well, what am I talking about? No meat. No, I will be having meat. I am going to try and incorporate the vegetables in there. I plan to have broccoli tonight for dinner. And, you know, a lot of the bad habits that I had, I'm just going to try to keep those at bay. So I'm going to go ahead and close out this video at this point because I'm not doing any editing. It's a daily thing that I'm doing. And hopefully you guys will watch the next video and we'll see how this goes. I don't know. We'll see how, you know, see if it works. So thank you guys. If you stuck around, you watched this with me. I mean, you watched me. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Check out some of my videos on the Fincherman. Check out some of my videos on the intermittent fasting. And check me out tomorrow. I will be here and I'll see you. Enjoy. Bye.